How to hide followers on Spotify. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you hide followers on Spotify in just a few easy steps. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Spotify with your account. Alright, so after you open the application, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on your profile icon just at the top left corner. Alright, from your tap on settings and privacy. Okay, so from the settings, tap on privacy and social. Okay, so from this section, privacy and social, you'll be able to see your options like followers and following. So you have to just turn off the options followers and following from here, and after you turn off these, you'll be able to hide your followers on Spotify. So this is the process. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.